Before I continue working on the M3 and putting the new headers on, I forgot I had a CPV O-ring kit, so I'm going to install that first before I go any further, since I'll have good access to it right now. The kit I got is from Bimmertune, and it's a upgraded O-ring. It comes with this little tool, which is actually unnecessary. You can actually just use a big flat blade and that'll work fine. Viton O-ring, which is higher quality than the stock O-ring that usually leaks. Mine isn't actually leaking, but this is just preventative maintenance since I'm in there and have easy access, and it's cheap for one of these. Under the car, and that's where the last header flange would normally be, and right below it is the CPV right there. That rusted up looking fitting. I'm going to try to remove it and replace the seal. Alright, what I got is a deep socket with my fitting in it. This uses a 12mm. Just going to put it on there and hope it breaks it loose without any problems. And it loosened pretty easy actually. I'm going to unscrew it out. Pretty loose now, and I could just unscrew it by hand. And the valve is out. I'm just going to use a pick to take off the old seal. This is the old O-ring. I don't know if this was replaced before, but it's good to replace it. I have a clean rag so I can clean it all back up. Lubricate the O-ring with some motor oil. Try not to roll the O-ring. Use my pick to grab it and slowly stretch it over, going around till I make it to where it needs to be. And it's on there. And it's lubed up pretty good. Thread it in there carefully. Thread it in there by hand. I'm just gonna tighten it until it bottoms out, and that will be good. And that's it, it bottomed out. So that's it, it's tightened. Well, that's it for the CPV O-ring seal. And yeah, now we'll be getting onto the headers.